gon' bust it for the team, or what? Let my ass bitch on scene, for what? You gon' drop it to your knees, or what? Make it clap, make it...
Hey boos, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Danyelanyssa, and I do beauty, lifestyle, and more. And if you enjoy that, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and don't forget to turn on your bell notification to notify every time I post a new video. So for today's video, guys, I have another hair video, so if you're excited, stay along. I know it's been a while since I did that hair video, but Glamtouché reached out and sent me 2 ponytails and 2 elastic messy buns, and I'm gonna try them out for y'all so y'all can see how gorgeous these are, and we're gonna test them out and see how it goes. So I'm pretty excited because, you know, we love hair videos. I'm gonna leave a discount code 10% off, and I'll have all the links down below so y'all can check them out. And if you want to follow Glamtouché, I'll leave it all down below and right here. So let's get started. I know I got dark brown. They come in a package like this. And I got black. And from looking at this, I don't think the black's gonna work for me because it's too dark for my hair. Because it's too dark for my hair. So I think I'm gonna stick with dark brown. And I'm gonna stick with the black, and maybe I can do a giveaway with it for y'all. Put my hair up in a twirl. While I do that, y'all can... I'm gonna read it to y'all. They have many colors for y'all. They have 42 color options so you can find the best fit for your colored hair. And our hair pieces are carefully designed to seamlessly blend with your hair so that only you know it's there. So for like heat protecting stuff, it's saying on the website because our hair pieces look and feel like natural hair. They honestly do. They are flexible, can be washed, blow dried, and styled with hot tools. All hair pieces are extremely easy to apply, rest easily. We're gonna test this out, guys, and I can't wait. Oh my god, I'm so excited. So we're gonna do our edges real quick. I'm gonna try to my edges. I'm not really good at this. Okay, so I have my hair up, and we're gonna try out the messy bun in dark brown. The black does not fit me well because it's a little too dark for my hair. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wrap it. I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna wear it. My hair is medium thick. It's pretty long. So to let y'all know that about my hair, I really don't know how to do an elastic messy bun, but I'm just gonna put this on. It's just a little... Oh, guys, look at my hair. I got curly hair now. Oh my god, this looks really cute. You can kind of see my bun on top, but if you just like kind of open it, you can't really tell, but that's what it looks like. I'm gonna zoom y'all in. And if y'all can see, that's what my hair looks like. This is what the back looks like. All you do is just, how I did it is just I put my hair in a bun and then I just put this over it. And you get this cute little curly messy bun looking like. This is actually pretty cute. This is cute for like, you know, like a wedding, something fancy, and you want your hair looking like really good, or like even like dance or out to eat day. You know, you want to have your girl, you want to have your hair up, say less. I really don't know how to do it, but that's what it looks like. It's very cute, very fast. You know, like you want to go out and around and you're like, what do I do with my hair? Wrap it up, put this on, and you'll look stylish. Look at that, guys. So cute. Okay, so that is for the messy bun, and I believe the messy bun is for $22.99. It was $35, but you save 34% off, $22.99. And if you want to use my code for 10% off, I have a link down below. But yeah, that is the bun. I use dark brown, guys, to let y'all know. And I will probably save the black for probably a giveaway, because it's not going to match my hair, and why would I have it sitting if someone else can use it and look bad and bougie. So that is the messy bun. So now I'm going to use the ponytail. Look at this thick hair in the shade dark brown to let you know. And it has this little bristle clip thing, and it has a strand of hair, so you can wrap it around and you won't see any of it. It's very long, very pretty. So I'm gonna show y'all. We're gonna put this, place it right here, right where our trunk was at. And you're gonna snuggle it in, and you're gonna wrap it around your trungle. Make sure your hair does not get caught, and you want to get all of your hair in there. You're gonna pull out the little strand that you're gonna use to wrap your ponytail to hide the Velcro. So you're gonna grab that. You're gonna grab that and wrap it around the ponytail. Making sure you cover all the little hairs. And then you're going to bobby pin and tuck in the little strand of hair in the back. There you go. And we have long, dark brown hair. And this is a 26 inch. Oh my god, guys. Looks so cool. Almost the length of my hair, but I have some long pieces and so good. See, look like I have some layers. That looks really good. Oh my god, I actually like this. And this is a hair piece, guys, from Glamtouché. And if you want this one, I think the price, this ponytail is $24.99, regular $45. It's on sale, and if you want to use my code, you get 10% off. But this is what the website looks like, so y'all can see for yourself, so y'all know what is what. And this is really good. This is cute for like pictures, you know, like a baddie picture. You say it less. This is how it is. This is what the back looks like. And blends really well in my hair. And you can do so many looks with these. If you want to go on a run, you can use this bun. If you want to take a good little baddie picture, this will look really good. Look at that. Period. That the other way. And guys, if you really enjoy, you can check them out. Go get yourself a ponytail and a messy bun, because that's so cute. A really easy go-to bun. I still want to play with it because it's super cute, and I want to learn how to do some cute styles. And I'm going to test out my ponytail today. And yes, dude, look at that. Oh my god, so happy. So this is it for my video, guys. If you have any questions down below, let me know down in the comments, and I will let y'all. And if you would love to get your hands on this ponytail, we'll get it so we can be twins. Like, look at that wrap though. Look at that. So cute. Oh wow, I really like this. I haven't had like a fake ponytail piece, because this is so new to me, like to y'all. And oh my god, I really like this. Oh my god, thank you Glamtouché, because I love my ponytail and my messy bun, because everything's so cute. And like, and then you can fix up your edges, but my edges went away, because all you gotta do is put your hair up, fix your edges, boo boo, put a ponytail, fix your edges, and you'll be baddie, and you'll be good to go with some long hair. Like I said, 26 inches, and that's pretty long hair, guys. That's pretty long hair. So that's it for the video, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you have any questions, any video ideas you want me to do, leave it down in the comments. And I hope you enjoyed my videos. Don't forget to like any of my other recent videos. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.